Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have this miniature Zen garden. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. Guys, this thing, it looks really awesome. This was my first try doing one. I'm gonna go over what it comes with in just a second, but guys, as you can see, what it is it's a little garden, it has sand, it has different items in it, and it comes with these really nice tools, and you're able to kind of shift the sand around, make different designs. You can do whatever you want with this, guys, and that's really cool. Now I'm going to go over what it comes with, and I'm going to kind of do an example for you. So what this comes with, guys, is a kind of a nice little guide on how to set up a Zen garden and what everything in the Zen garden means and symbolizes. It's really cool, actually. I really like that. It comes with a lot of really cool tools, and the cool thing about these is that they're natural materials, and they just look really cool. They look really authentic, and they're just kind of fun. Comes with some stones, of course, the sand. Comes with a bridge. This is a torii. This is something you would find at like a Shinto temple. 2 cherry blossom trees, moss, a pagoda, stones. These are lotus flowers. The actual platform for the garden itself. And then it does come with this sticky tape. I'm not sure what this is for exactly. Maybe to secure this to the table or something. Because I'm not in any way a professional at this, but let's just kind of give it a go and see what we can kind of come up with. All right, one thing I noticed right off the bat about the sand is that it's very, very sparkly, it's very, very shiny, and it's very, very fine. It's gonna give you a lot to work with, and it just looks great. Guys, this thing just looks really cool. It's actually really fun just to kind of mess around, put things where you want to put them, and it just looks really peaceful, and it's actually really fun to kind of set this in your house. And it kind of does bring that outdoor kind of Japanese Zen garden right into your house. Because my favorite thing about this has to be the fact of how cool this thing is. Everything on this looks like it's life size, but just in a small little garden in your house. And it's just fun to rearrange this and set it up. And like just playing with the sand, guys, I've never really done this before. Like I said, I'm not a professional at this, and I was able to come up with something that looks somewhat decent, I think. And it's just kind of a peaceful activity. It really is relaxing, and I just think it's really fun. It's really cool. And I can't wait to kind of try out more and to kind of make more intricate landscapes. This was my first try, and I think it turned out really well. And I think this is going to be a really fun thing for me going forward, as well as probably friends, family. I'm going to try to get them to try this as well. I think this is a fun hobby. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.